Laser Dave here with Laguna Tools. Today we're going to go over our SmartShop DLP Laser. This one is fully enclosed, sheet plate, and tube cutter. Our FC series lasers use Sipe Cut. It's a Windows-based program. It's really easy to use and user-friendly. We're going to look at the DLP side. We're going to open up the software and we're going to program it. I use the handheld pendant for programming, moving the machine around. We have a camera that shows the inside. It's got the plate side, the tube side, so we can monitor everything that's happening on the inside. Now we're going to go to the plate side of the laser. This particular model has the optional shuttle table. The shuttle table is so you can load and unload material while your laser is still cutting. If you run a lot of material, this is a definite must. Now we're at the front side of the machine. This is where we're going to program and cut. One of the great features with this machine is auto sheet detection. Let's take a look. We'll try it right now. As you can see, it picked up 3 points using the optical sensing head to find out the edge of the material. Then, when it calibrated that, it automatically skewed the program to make compensation for the sheet size and angularity. Right up here, it had a clockwise rotation of 0.12 degrees. So when it cuts the parts out, it's going to be at that rotation. Let's take a look at the tube. We're going to load material in here now. First thing I'm going to do is put it in the front follower. We slide it in, get it holding, get it set. Get that set, drop the chucks. We're good to go. Now we're going to calibrate the laser head to the material that we put in. It's going to do the angularity and it's going to find center. Here we go. There we go. We found center, we found the angularity, now we're ready to cut parts. Thanks for joining us. We set the machine up and tested it here at our facility. It's going to the customer's facility next week. Tune back in where we're going to be cutting on it. And if you have any questions or comments, please call us at 1-800-234-1976 or look us up on the web at lagunatools.com. Thank you.